Our mission is to get documentary evidence of aliens here in Joshua Tree. One of my family friends recently went to Joshua Tree, and there appears to be an alien spaceship in their photo. So naturally, we wanted to go to Joshua Tree to see if we could find one as well.
Rattlesnakes, we have cottonmouths too.
But as we were searching, my wife brought up some doubts about the photo.
I think it was a reflection of the sun. Because sometimes the camera has that effect.
Hater, we got a hater here. If she doesn't see it, she doesn't believe it.
No, I do believe there's aliens, and I do believe that they appear, especially here in Joshua Tree. But I just don't think that specific video.
Show me the scientific
evidence.
study, or it's not
God.
real, right, Mooley?
Oh, you woman of little faith.
You are a little woman.
Little woman.
I have a lot of faith, and I'm also very practical.
No, it was an alien. We're gonna find it.
Very. The rainbow is sort of like, from my angle, shaped like a little spaceship, like one of those like flat spaceships.
I think you're starting to become a believer now. But as we got to the top and I was filming, I noticed something unusual. An image that looked exactly like the one in our friend's photo. But I noticed something else too. The more I zoomed in, the longer the weird spaceship image got. And with the angle of the sun right there, I think I began to realize this was no alien after all. Oh dude, you're right, Caddy. Oh, I think you're right. Look at the way the reflection is when you zoom in on the photo. Maybe that's what her thing was. Oh, I think you were right.
99.9% of the time, I'm right.
The dichotomy of it all.
All right, fine, wifey. You were right. You were right. We didn't see any aliens, but I still believe they exist. So we didn't see aliens out here, and we ended up proving the opposite of what we wanted, that my friend's photo was no alien spaceship after all. But we did enjoy the beautiful nature of Joshua Tree, and who knows, maybe there are still aliens out here that we will stumble upon one day.